In this second episode for Baking with Beginners, we're going to be talking about baking tools. In the first episode, I talked about baking ingredients, and if you missed out, you can check the link up here or in the description box down below. It's a video which you can't miss out. Now, when it comes to baking, we have cakes, muffins, cupcakes, cookies, pastries, bread, and pies. And all these need different equipment. I'm going to start off with measuring cups, and they come in metallic or plastic, and they help you measure out your ingredients. So we have 1 cup, half a cup, a third cup, and a quarter cup, which are necessary for that perfect cake outcome. We have measuring spoons, and they vary in sizes. For example, we have a tablespoon, 1 teaspoon, half a teaspoon, and a quarter teaspoon. And also they help you to measure out ingredients, especially when it comes to baking powder, salt, or any small quantity ingredients. Mixing bowls, they also come in different sizes. We have deep bowls and bowls which are a little bit flat. So I usually use my deep bowls for mixing out my cake batters, and also they're perfect when it comes to making bread because of the doubling up in size or puffing. And also for the flat bowls I use in making cookie doughs. Also, you need some cooling racks which come in different sizes and shapes. I have a round one and a rectangular one. And cooling racks help you to cool down your baked goodies. So when done baking, all you have to do is invert the baked goodies on the cooling rack, and this will slowly cool down the cakes and they won't trap in steam. So your cake or your donuts will not get soggy. Next, we have baking tins which come in different sizes, shapes, purposes, and materials. For cupcakes and muffins, you can use metallic molds or even silicone molds, which I personally enjoy using because you can get different shapes. We have a muffin, we have a donut, we have this shape, a donut one, we have a rose, and this shape. So they're all perfect when it comes to cupcakes and muffins. And when it comes to cakes, it's the same thing because we have different shapes and patterns of your tins. We have a loaf pan and a smaller one. This is a kg and half a kg of my loaf pan. And also we have smaller tins which are thrifted. And I love using these small tins because they give me the right portion when it comes to cakes. We have round, this is a kg tin and a 6-inch tin, which I personally enjoy using when it comes to small cakes. We have a bandit tin, yeah, and they come in different sizes and shapes. This is the only shape I have. We have I have a rectangular, a square, and I have a rectangular and a square tin as well, and all these tins are a kg. When it comes to making bread, you need a bread tin, and I have one which I use frequently when making bread. As you can see, it comes with a lid, and also the loaf tin is tall, which is quite different from the regular cake tin, loaf tin that is. Next, you'll need some baking trays which come in handy, especially when it comes to making pastries and cookies. Next, you need some oven-proof glass baking trays which come in handy, also especially when making pastries and cinnamon rolls. And also you need a flat baking tray for making your cookies. Spatulas, they come in different sizes, colors, and shapes. As you can see, I have a variety of spatulas, and the spatulas help you scrape the spatulas help you to scrape your bowl, especially when you are mixing up wet and dry ingredients, or when you're making cake, so that all the ingredients can get fully combined. Kitchen brushes come in different sizes and colors. I have two, and I love using kitchen brushes, especially when it comes to spreading egg wash on pastries. So you need one or two. Also, you need a whisk, and they come in different sizes. As you can see, I have a medium one, which helps you mix in the ingredients when baking a cake. We have piping nozzles, and as you can see, I have so many, which come in different sizes and shapes. As you can see, I have lots of them. I have small ones also. And also, if you're going to be decorating a cake, you need piping bags. I have disposable ones and silicone one, which you can fit with your nozzles. And lastly, you need rolling pin, especially when it comes to baking breads and pastries for rolling out your dough. Oh, and I almost forgot, I have a baking pie tin. It's perfect for making pies. These are the essential baking tools when it comes to baking. So just invest in one or two, maybe for a kg, because that is the perfect family size. And yeah, everything will turn out amazing. So catch you on my third episode.